everyone, this is Tatiana and Nikolai. We are here broadcasting from Exclusively Dance Studios. I hope everybody's doing well and staying safe.
Tatiana and I, we decided to have some fun, and we're putting a few routines together for you to practice at home, and hopefully we'll see you soon at the studio. Here, this first one is jive/swing. You can practice your dancing. All right, so we're gonna start with the men's part, or leader's part, and we're gonna start with the count of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Diagonally forward, triple step. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we start kicking. Kick, step back, triple step back, triple step, diagonally back, rock, step. And now we're gonna do the same thing, but we're gonna do followers part or men's part. Ready? 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Diagonal, diagonal, kick, diagonal, diagonal, rock, step. And now we're gonna do the same thing, but we're going to face each other and
actually let's talk about maybe a little bit of technique, right? I'm going to talk about the ladies part a little bit. If you don't need to have a partner for this. And Nikolai's going to talk about the men's part a little bit. Okay, the rock step, Nikolai's going to correct. Rock step, anything that we're doing in jive, the body weight should be a little bit more towards the ball of the foot. The knees are very soft, so we can create that pendulum action when we're dancing, okay? So, when we're starting, make sure that you guys keep the body very quiet and the hips are going left and right, yeah? Very like a swing, yeah? So, you can apply for the jive and for the swing. Okay, now, this is very important subject now, so we're gonna do rock step. The rock step, I'm gonna do the ladies part, I'm gonna start with the right foot. So we're gonna need to go around our axis. So if I'm gonna step back on the right foot, left side is straight, I'm gonna do a rotation and come back on the foot. The rock step, always remember, keep in mind, action is like a rocking chair. The minute when we travel forward in a chasse, we need to use the traveling body side. So for example, if I'm starting my body weight forward on the right foot, or Nikolai's on the left, we're both gonna lean slightly forward. And so you see a little bit of action in the body, together and away, and together and away. So the body kind of moves it a little bit forward. Okay, so Nikolai, tell us about the kicks.
So the kicking action is comprised of two parts. It's your moving leg and your standing leg. So for the moving leg, we are using a kick, using a knee lift, and then we kick. And then we're using a knee lift, and we replace. We're using a knee lift, kick, and we're using a knee, replace. And your standing foot does a little skip where you have skip, 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 skip. And then you're putting it together, you're putting the skip, knee lift, kick. Skip, knee lift, replace. Skip, knee lift, kick. Skip, knee lift, replace. And that's all you need to know about this routine for now.
Yes, so we'll do one more time, yeah?
Yes, we'll do it one more time. And now Tatiana and I, we're gonna do it. I'm gonna do leader's part, and Tatiana's gonna do the follower part. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you also can do it if you have a partner, and so you can look at each other. You can do it facing each other, and you're gonna start a little bit apart. So this way you have a little room, and you do the same thing.
Same thing. So the ladies start with the right, the guys with the
and gentlemen start with the left foot back. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Side leads.
Forward,
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 kicks,
kick, kick, back, diagonally back, rock, step. And here we are, Tatiana and Nikolai, for your viewing pleasure.
Thank
We're looking
you.
forward to see your videos. Feel free to send it to us.
Thank you very much. I hope you guys stay safe, and we're waiting for you here next week. Thank you. Bye.